Hello and welcome back to our series of videos. My name is Francisco and I work for Virtual CNS, and we're going to show you a little bit about something that sometimes is very popular among the users in Office 365, and this is how to actually use Excel in regards to saving this particular document to a PDF. So for example, if you're working on a file and you want to export it or you want to save it into a PDF or different other formats, how to do that. Okay, so for example, here I'm showing you my screen. I already have a file in Excel open, and this is obviously, as you guys can see here on the top, it's actually a SharePoint. So I did log in using my Office.com credentials, and I was able to open pretty much any file. So, okay, so let's actually assume that we have a basic Excel file, or depends, whatever complex formulas you have in here. So now I wanted to print it out. So obviously I go to File, and there's an article online that typically recommends to use this section. This is what we call the Save As. So let's explore these options. If you do a Save As, this is actually to save the content or to be able to save the actual file in a location within Office.com. Okay. You also have to download a copy, but I don't see pretty much any options to do a print or to export to a PDF file. Now, depending on your computer, there's another option. You click on print, okay, and then you click on here. Now in here, obviously you select whatever you want to print, depending on how you want to print it, and then you actually click on print. And this opens up. In my situation, I do have in my computer the ability to save as a PDF, as you guys can see here. So that's what I'm going to choose. If I wanted to print to a printer, here you go. But in this case, it's going to be an actual PDF. And the reason is typically all the computers, Windows 10, they already come with this pre-configured. And sometimes it is actually available if you do have Adobe Reader installed in your computer. So in this case, I'm just going to click on Save, and that's it. So in this case, obviously I'm choosing the type, Save, and that's it. So when I go back to my files, I'm going to be able to see this particular file, okay, that was exporting PDF. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you will print. If you don't see the option in the Save As, then you can go to the print option and then click on print and follow those steps. Hopefully this helps you to actually convert or to print the Excel file into a PDF. It is also important to say that sometimes, depending on the format, the export, it may look kind of funny or weird. That's something that you do have to fix in your own file in order to have the result that you're looking for. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this was very useful. And if you have any questions, you can send us an email to info@virtualcns.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks again.